Yo, guys, there's some water in here, and he's giving us like a bunch of suitcases. That's what my friend said. No, I missed it.
Don't grab every suitcase I see.
Yes, I got it.
Chip.
Oh god, no.
She's the one that made this server.
Crap! Holy crap!
Yeah, me and you made this server.
Wait, my friend is in here too, the one that I had there. I always
Look! It's a big
videos with.
Can I have a hard gun? Can you? I don't like that.
Bro. I don't even want that grappler anymore, bro. Holy crap! Oh, bro, move!
Crazy.
Yeah, bro. Yo, Isaac, where are you?
Crazy movement.
Stop, man.
I'm bleeding.
Guys, I'm bleeding.
Isaac, how are you invisible?
My feet. I'm not.
I'm bleeding.
Josh,
Oh shit.
Where are you?
Scanner.
I'm right here. I'm right behind you.
Oh, you're invisible.
Laser.
Oh.
Not on my screen.
Suitcase.
Bro, I'm trying to put
I'm gonna
suitcases
explode you.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm recording. Woo!
Yeah, I got you.
Put that all in there. Sell it, yo. No, the flashlight. The flashlight.
Alright, come on.
I think I'm too little. Keep on selling when you're playing.
Ow.
Whoa!
Nigger watch. I know, it gives so much. It's no PvP, buddy.
Hey, Chip, how you doing? Good.
Holy
Vertex UU. Hey, Vertex UU. Vertex. Crazy moments of Wii. Vertex UU on Xbox. Come here. Vertex UU on Xbox.
Yo, Isaac.
My headset's getting low. Josh,
Okay.
my headset's getting low.
Oh, okay. Your headset's getting low. What percent is it at? What percent is it at?
What do you mean?
Let me check. I'm jealous.
No, I need
your chest. I'm talking about your Xbox.
1%.
That's
not my name.
Did the...
Oh, that was a different kid. Well, because he had the exact same profile as you. It was it's actually insane. Oh, I got 8 suitcases. Guys, y'all wanna know a story? Y'all wanna know a story?
Yo, Isaac, are you still here? Isaac, are you still here?
Yes, I'm right here.
On Saturday,
very low.
guys,
Oh, okay.
on Saturday, I went to the Minecraft movie and I poured a drink on my friend when it said chicken jockey, and then I got kicked out. Now I'm banned for a week.
Chicken Jackie.
I yelled chicken jockey when it got quiet, and somehow they didn't kick me out of the movie theater. I poured my popcorn on the security guard, which made me get banned.
Suitcases are all over the place.
I know we're on
No, can I please have my heart gun back?
I need to be big. I'm still here.
Bro, I need broccoli.
Josh, I'm still here.
Okay. I'm just trying to get the suitcases in the sky. I'm trying to get the suitcases in the sky.
Chicken jockey, I might be one.
Suitcase, no!
Chicken jockey, chicken jockey, louder!
You're worshiping the wrong thing.
Yes!
Guys,
I'm gonna do.
who believes in
Googly,
gravity?
Boogly, iPhone TNT.
Oh my god, I'm so slow!
Busy daddy. Just walk on the wall with you.
On the wall.
No!
No.
What?
Josh.
What?
See what you get for $1.
What?
See what you get for grab the pumpkin. It's a crate. I can't. See what you get. For me to do that, I have to leave and go to the modded company and
No.
go back.
My friends, we are
More
good.
stuff.
No,
Yes,
it's not a
please,
moderator.
moderator.
It's not a mod. You can mod APK.
You have to go. You have to go
I want a
into.
death.
Bro, I'll sell that flashlight. I'm gonna sell this flashlight.
Moderator, I want to
I'm not doing any more of this stuff.
Yeah, for
Holy shit.
I'm not doing any more stuff until you give him away his give him back his ring.
I'm getting that suitcase. Sell it. Sell it. Sell it.
We're not doing it again.
Sell
That's
it.
mine.
Yo,
Sell
can you give me
it.
a ray gun back, bro, or I'm not.
No. Give me my suitcase back.
Nah, bro. There's tons in the sky.
Chicken jockey. Or I'm gonna
You
write
better
you to
not.
the Discord and
Guys,
you're never getting
No
money.
one give this guy
I'm gonna
anything.
say
No one
no.
give this guy anything.
Nobody give this guy anything.
Give it saying
he
no one
stole
give
my
this guy
stuff.
anything. He stole one of the person that gave away the suitcases.
Chicken
Alright, he gave it back. Like a good boy.
Okay. Yo.
Like him. Y'all want some more suitcases like a good boy though.
And then you're saying,
Bro, I swear, bro, this is crazy. How much will it sell for?
I have a red watch. Can someone explain why I have red watch?
first thing that you want, good dog.
Legends never die.
Still heart gun.
Even though technically, Roger, shut up.
Hey, does anybody want this cracker? I was just here. If not, I'm gonna eat this.
Yo, sir, can I have a heart gun?
Oh no, my heart gun. Well, it's not technically mine.
Chip.
Yo, Chip, I'm gonna
Get off to eat real quick.
Bro, I got two suitcases.
Here, do this for me. Do this.
Holy guacamole, I'm taking that.
No, I'm not.
Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! No!
Now don't leave. Alright. Have a nice time.
Bro, they killed me!
Bro, I'm in a code, bro.
Legends never.
I didn't do nothing.
Who keeps doing that?
Stop selling it even when there's nothing in
No,
there.
you just called me a retard. If it wasn't for me, none of this stuff would be here. If it wasn't
I
for
said
me,
Goofy, you idiot. I said Goofy.
Respect him.
Oh, idiot now. Why you calling me idiot now, huh? Why you calling me?